Alright, so I just wanted to quickly kind of show off these enormous Taxus that I was given by somebody that was removing a large hedge. And like I said, these things, they're huge. This one over here in particular I think is really quite nice. You can kind of see that the base of this thing is nearly a foot. The trunk is huge, and the overall shape on this thing I think is really great. Anyway, I'll be doing some work on these, you know, probably sometime in the summer next year. I'll start to whittle these down a little bit, work on these big cut-off stubs. I hope they survive. They're in these giant pots. They're going to be a pain in the neck to move around. I really like this one. Anyway, that's it. I just want to show these things off and let you know that there'll be some pretty cool upcoming videos on these. Anyway, that's it. Bye.